everybody! Welcome back into my YouTube channel. This is I November Rain, ang laging nagpapaalala sa inyo na manatiling maganda sa kabila ng kahirapan. But we don't have a skincare video today because I am gonna share this really cool feature from the new iOS 14. So if you are using an iPhone and your phone is already updated to the iOS 14, and then this video is for you. But wait, if you are still using the iOS 13, I suggest na mag-update na kayo kasi may bagong feature na dinagdag si iPhone para mas mapabilis ang buhay natin. So, if you are living in the social media world and you know that screenshot is really important because if you wanna spill a tea, screenshot is the key. So, mas pinabilis yung pag-screenshot ngayon. So, before kasi, dito ako nag-screenshot itong turn off button dito at saka yung upper volume dito sa itaas. So, if you are using iPhone 10, it might slightly different from the iPhone 11. So, I am using iPhone 11 Pro Max and iba yung feature ng paano siya isi-set. So, dito siya ini-screenshot like this. Kailangan mo siyang pindutin ng sabay like that para makapag-screenshot ka. And it took a lot of time to do that. But, sa bagong update ng iPhone is do-double tap na lang siya. So, meron ka ng screenshot, guys. So, if you are interested of learning how to do that and just keep on watching because I am gonna share this with you. Let's go! So first, kailangan mo pumunta sa yung settings. Ito yung phone mo, di ba? And then, hanapin mo yung accessibility dito. Pindutin mo yan siya. And, puntahan mo yung touch. Ito yung touch, di ba? Yung touch. And then, scroll mo siya pababa. Back tap is on. It's already on. Kung hindi pa siya naka-on sa inyo, i-turn on nyo siya. And then, sinet ko siya sa screenshot. Click natin yan siya dyan. So, marami kang pagpipilian dyan kung anong gusto mo. But, I choose the screenshot. And then, ganyan lang siya mga guys. Super duper easy. And then, back na natin siya. And, let's try this. Screenshot. So, mga day, nakaset na tayo. And then, do-double tap na lang natin tong dito. So, what you can do is, so if you're using a hard case, kailangan mo lang siyang itap ng malakas para marinig siya ng phone na tinap mo siya and then mag-screenshot na siya. Kasi pag hindi rin siya mag-screenshot. So, ayun lang. So, mabilis lang to talaga and I hope you learned something today. And if you are, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and share this with your friend, and share this with your iPhone user friend para mas masaya ang lahat. So, once again, this is I November Rain, and thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye!